In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default view in Microsoft Project. If you spend a lot of time in projects, starting in the right view can save clicks and keep you focused. A view is simply how your project information is presented: tasks, resources, timelines, and usage details. So setting the one you prefer as the default can streamline your day. Before you lock in a default, it helps to try a few options. With your project open, go to the View tab on the ribbon. From there, pick a view under Task Views or Resource Views, or open More Views to browse the full list. This is a great way to preview how your data will look and decide what best fits your workflow. Popular choices include Gantt chart, tracking Gantt, task sheet, task usage, resource sheet, resource usage, team planner, calendar, and timeline. Each one offers a different angle. Gantt views emphasize schedule and dependencies. Sheets give you a grid for quick edits. Usage views show assignments over time, and calendar or timeline provide at-a-glance planning. Once you know which one you want to start with, setting it as the default is straightforward. Open Microsoft Project. Click File to open the Backstage area, then select Options. In the Project Options window, choose General. Look for the default view dropdown and pick the view you want to open automatically. This list includes both built-in views and any custom views you've created. Click OK to save. Microsoft's documentation confirms this is the exact path: File, Options, General, Default View. From now on, Project will open in your chosen view when the application starts, and new blank projects will typically honor that choice as well. Here's an important tip to avoid surprises. When you reopen an existing project file, Project may show the last view that file was saved in instead of your selected default. This behavior is common and has been noted by many users. If that happens, simply switch to your preferred view using the View tab or More Views. Your default setting is still in place for starting the app and creating new files. If you want a consistent starting point for a specific project, save that file while it's already showing your preferred view. That's all it takes. Explore a few views, set your favorite through File, Options, General, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient start every time you open Microsoft Project.